y'all. We got a $50 session here from Nebraska. How y'all doing today? Did y'all miss me? Haha. We got 2 of these 1,000 frenzies. They said those are new. And then we got 5 of these $2 trucks and bucks. And the reason I got them is because there's a sign up there that says this game is closing soon. And there's still 3 trucks left out there to be won. So I said, why not try a little bit? Alright, we got tickets number 77 through 81. 77 through 81. Let's go get a truck, y'all. And the odds on this one are... Okay, match 3 like... Let's see what we gotta do first. Match 3 like symbols in the game. Win the prize for that game. If you match 3 like symbols in the game, the prize is a fuel symbol. You win $500 in ethanol enriched fuel. If you match 3 like symbols in the game and the prize is a truck symbol, you win a Ford F-150. And ticket price is $2. Odds on winning one of 7 Ford F-150s. Overall odds are 1 in 3.74. Ooh hoo hoo. Alright, let's see. Let's go get this truck, y'all. Let's go get this truck. Let's see, we got... Oh, I can do this. This is tough. Tough scratch. We got a key, an airplane, and a... I don't know what that was. We got gold bar, a sun, and a gold bar. We got a dollar bill, whatever. We just gotta get 3 like symbols. That's all I know. I can't tell what they are, some of them. Dollar bill, a glove, and a key. Just 3 like symbols is all we need. 3 like symbols. Money bag, cow, and a bill. A boat, a gift, and a glove. We just need 3 like symbols. Hey! We got a rabbit foot, rabbit foot, rabbit foot! Let's see what we won. Come on. Truck. Oh, dagnabbit. We got $4 though. We'll take it. It's a double up. Double up on the first ticket. We'll take that. Alright, next one is... Put that over there. We got money. I'd like to get a truck though. Be nice to get a truck, wouldn't it? Yes, it would. Let's see what we got here. We got a bank and 2 wallets. We got an airplane, a diamond, and a diamond. We got a vault, rabbit foot, rabbit foot. We got the moon, and a tire. I know it's shaking a little bit. I'm sorry about that. Wishbone, wishbone, crown. It's hard scratching these little tickets. Dollar horseshoe. Tire, key. That's part of the truck. Tire, key. Boat, horseshoe. And lightning bolt, moon, and the moon. And the glove, and the trophy. Nothing on that one. Alright, let's go to the next one. Next one. Yeah, I see people winning on these $2 tickets all the time. Let's see, piggy bank. Money for the piggy bank. Sorry if y'all can't see it that well, I'm sorry. Doing the best I can on these little bitty tickets. Alright, we got 7, a crown, and a glove. Clover. Lightning bolt, the stack of money, and the lightning bolt. We got a cow, and sunglasses. Gift, a rabbit foot, and a gift. Gold bar, and a key. Horseshoe, tire, piggy. Wallet, and a safe. Dagnabbit. Alright. 2 more chances, y'all. Got to get this truck, y'all. 2 more chances. Get this truck. Come on, we need a Ford F-150 so I can sell it and get the money and get me a real truck. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, y'all. A trophy, and a steering wheel. Come on, we need something. Diamond. Stack of cash. We need the truck. Oh, we gotta get a window and see if we got the truck underneath. Tire. Nope. We got the sunglasses, steering wheel. We got a diamond. And a glove. Lightning bolt. And pot of gold. Moon and stack of cash. No luck on that one. One more try. Last try, y'all. Let's get a truck. Come on, truck. Gold bar 7. Lightning bolt. Nope. Was that a gift and sunglasses? We only had one match on this thing, didn't we? Only one so far. Lightning bolt. Come on, lightning bolt. And a diamond. Aeroplane. Moon. Trophy. And a gift. Stack of cash for the bank. Steering wheel. And a crown. Little piggy. Nope. Nothing on that one, y'all. That's alright. We got $4 back out of that $10. Next, we got two $1,000 frenzies. We got ticket number 1 and 000. I'm gonna scratch. I'm gonna scratch 000 first. I don't know, just because I feel like it. Odds on this one are 1 and 2.98. Come on, we need $20,000. Win up to $20,000. Guess it just doesn't match any of your numbers to any of the winning number game. It doesn't even have any multipliers. Ain't that about a trip? Alright, well, let's see. It says stuffed with $1,000 prizes. Wouldn't that be grand? Ha ha ha! Play on words, y'all. Okay, we're looking for a 2, a 23, a 13, a 42, a 31, and an 18. Come on, give us our $1,000 grand. Oh, 11, of course. 9, nope, we got 2 up there. 49er, we got a 42. And a 24, we got the 23, and a backwards 24. Oh, only 1. 34. 3, no, we got a 2 up there. 28, come on, Nebraska. Let's go, you're usually good to me, Nebraska. Now be good. At least we got $4 back. That's something. Number 4, no good. 42. Hey, match, hey! Nebraska comes through. Thank you, Nebraska. We got a 42. Matchy. Alright. Can we get another one? 37. We got 31 up there. 33. Closer. 32 is even closer. We got 31. 44. Nope. At least we got a match, y'all. That's good. That means there won't be a bust session on this card on the big boys. Oh, 27. We got 23. Come on, 2 more rows. Give us another match. 43. 16. 35. Not to be greedy, but more is always better. 6. But you know us scratchers are always greedy. Look at that, match. We got another match, y'all. We got an 18-y. Alright, 2 matches. Good job. Got another one. More is better. More is always better. 47, we got the 42. 8. Nope. And a 29er. Nope. And a 36. Nope. Well, we got 2 matches, y'all. 2 matches. What are we gonna get? 500 under both? That would be nice. Let's see, we got little zeros or what? We got little zeros. No, it's a 5. Oh, 25 bucks. Hey, we'll take that. 25 bucks. They don't do zeros in Nebraska, I guess. Do we got another 25? That would be profit. No, that'd be break even. Come on, 25. Oh, we got 0. We got 0. What we gonna get? And a 20. They give us 45. We'll take 45. We'll take 45. Yeah, we will. Kind of a weird amount, but that's what they pay out, I guess. 45. We'll take it. They don't give the payouts on the back. I was looking to see. But we'll take 45. I know Nebraska's infamous for weird amounts. I've had weird amounts before. We'll take that. 45. Almost a break-even session. Almost. Now we got ticket number 1. Can we go back to back? Can we go back to back, Nebraska? We're looking for a 12, a 40, a 14, a 5, 46, and my 11. Or Gambler's 11. Whatever you want to call it. Let's see what we can get. Come on, Nebraska. 16. We got a 14 up there. 35. Come on, give us another match. Let us go back to back. That would be nice. 10, 1 off. 8. Come on, Nebraska. We got the little 2 there. 47. We got 46. 1 off. 41. Come on, Nebraska. We're counting on you, Nebraska. 27. Nope, no good. 15. We got 14. That's the 1 away there. And a 36. And a 26. Come on, knocky knocky. Wakey wakey ticket. Wakey wakey ticket. 13. We got the 14. And the 12. We got a sandwich. 22. 34. Come on, we just need 1 match here. Just 1 match, Nebraska. 3. And a 4. We got the 5. Just 1 break. 1 match. 1 match. 21 is a backwards 12. 17. 42. Nope, that was on the other ticket. 29er. No good. 19. Oh. No 19. 37. Come on, last row mojo. Last row mojo. 32. 28. Nope, no 20s. 33. 1. Only 1 again. And 43. Boo. Nothing on that one, though. But we got 45 on that one. And then we got $4 on that one. So out of our $50, we got 49 back. That's a good deal, I'd say. We just missed it by $1 break-even session. We'll take it. Alright, I thank y'all for watching. Y'all be safe out there. Keep your masks on, please. It is nowhere near over. Alright, love y'all. God bless. Peace out.